New shocks, new sway bar link. Looks like I'm at the start. I'm taking this brake line off. Sway bar link bolt right there. And then these two bolts. That's funny that they're. Oh, that bolt is shorter than the other one. Alright, that's what it is. Those two. And these three up here. This should be quick. Alright, got the sway bar link off. Brake cable off. Had to disconnect ABS sensor. It's just one 10mm screw. And it goes right there. Right there. One 10mm bolt and it slid straight out. Now, it's just time to get the shock itself out. All the old parts are out. These two bolts down here, this one didn't give me so much of a problem, but this top one definitely did. I'm gonna try to clean it up the best I can. Or actually, no, I can't. I don't have a drill, but I have some WD-40, or I'll spray the bolts down before I put them back in. But all the old parts is out. There go the old one right there. It's completely shot. And there's the new one right there. Kind of came out kind of quick despite that one bolt, but time to put it in. All right, got the new shock, new sway bar link in. That was quick. Now I already put the wheel speed sensor back in. I'm gonna reattach this brake line, lower it, put the wheel back on, and go do the same thing on the other side. All right, just time to do it all over again. Oh, that one ain't coming off. That one not. Oh, I think the battery dying. Yeah, I think the battery dying. Let me see. Looks like I'm gonna have to use some actual manual labor, some manpower to get these off. Hold on. Alright, take two at this. Let's see. That one came off. That one came off. All. Alright. Wheel off. Right, time for these three. Oh, don't care, got a new one. That one's off. That one's off. Time for sway bar link to come out. Top one. Let me get the back one. Let's see. One. There we go. Alright, now should be time for that to come straight out. Where's that nut? Right here. Like this. I'll try to move out of here. Alright, shock and sway bar link is out just like on the other side. It's time to reassemble, and this will be very quick. Alright, got everything all lined up. put in. Now it's just time to go through and just tighten everything, and it'll be time to do a test drive and see how it feels. Over 2 wrench. Tighten.